This is for the Top-O-Matic cigarette machine. If anybody's curious about it, me and my dad are kind of reviewing on it. I have a cigarette every once in a while. He's occasional, or he smokes regularly, so we're trying it out. This is the machine. It's a hand crank, and this is where you put the tobacco at, and then this is where you insert the cigarette, which is non-filled, and you put it in this port right there. And you can, whoop, that ain't supposed to happen. But you can buy these for 200 regular cigarettes, filtered, tube, 100s, gamblers. You can buy these for a whole box of them for $3, and then you can get saw it somewhere on here, 3 ounces of tobacco, which is filled all the way up to here, for $10. And anyway, I'm gonna show you how quick it is. It's pretty fast. You just shove it into here, tamp your corners down, grab your cigarette, put it in the tube, hold it. A little rubber piece pinches it and holds it in place. Boom. And grab another one. Do the same thing. Fill it in. Tamp it in there. I notice if you tamp it in there a little tighter, it does pack it in there tighter. You get a little bit more tobacco in there. Just crank it. Done. Another one. Open it up. Put it in there. This unit here, caught it on sale at by Brookshire Brothers. They had these pieces for around $35. It's a limited edition. You can get it at the tobacco barn. To save money a little bit. That's 3 right there, and I'm not even going real fast. Pack it in there. A little bit more. I've already shown the pile that I already have right here. Show them the pile over here. Another one. I mean, that's 3/4 of a pack already. And I might have maybe 5 minutes in it. Get your little tray like this. What a cigarette's running for, about $80 a carton. You can buy this paying the Marlboro high prices. Overinflated prices. You can probably, I think you can do a carton for, I think, $17 to $20. That's it. There's probably at least 15 there. Alright, I'm gonna hit the red.